Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. To configure advanced BMW anti-theft alarm options on a compatible motorcycle, select the correct BMW model. Click Anti-theft alarm. Click Service functions. Click Coding functions. Click Advanced configuration. If the motorcycle is equipped with a keyless entry system, you can choose whether remote control of the motorcycle's alarm system is done using the motorcycle's keyless ride fobs or the dedicated alarm system fobs using these options. The Switch Off Motion Sensor drop-down contains options for disabling the alarm's motion detection functionality so the motorcycle can be transported. If this option is enabled, the rider can choose to manually disable the motion sensor in any of three ways. Selecting the CAN option means the motion sensor can be disabled using a controller other than the motorcycle's alarm system controller. Typically, this is done using either the instrument cluster controller or keyless ride controller. Selecting the remote control option means the motion sensor can be disabled using a motorcycle's dedicated alarm system fobs. Such fobs are always paired with the alarm system, not with the motorcycle's immobilizer or keyless ride system. Alternatively, both these options can be enabled simultaneously. The keyless controller present radio button should only be active if the motorcycle is equipped with a keyless entry system. CAN timeout, keyless and push button reading are advanced options for use by BMW service technicians. Use of these options is not recommended. To program your settings into the controller, click Continue.